Yeah, so Christmas, I think for everybody is a great time of year, and it's also a very stressful time of year. You still have work, you still have your activities with the kids, you still have all the daily things you have every other time of year, and you have all the things revolving around Christmas and family and all of those things. And so time management and time allocation becomes even more critical during that time. And so what we're able to do with landscape lighting is turn a house into Christmas with the touch of a phone, and it's very easy, or schedule it so it happens automatically and save tons of time. I dread putting Christmas lights up. I hate it. I love the result, but I hate doing it, and I dread even more taking them down. Right, because the result is I'm removing the result, and I have to take them down. And so this product allowed me to turn my house into Christmas and save tons of time doing it. Right now, I still put Christmas lights here and there, but not near as much, and I don't have to get up on the roof to make it look good. I can just put them on a few bushes and a few low hanging trees, and it accents a little bit, but that house red and green does most of the work.